Hi guys, so last month I finished like a bunch of products and I was about to throw them away, and I thought why not come here and make a video on my product empties for last month. Actually there were like even more products, but I threw some of them because I didn't know I'm going to make this video. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the whole motive behind making this video is to tell you guys that I have finished these products, which obviously means that I really liked them and I used them up completely. So I have like a bunch of products right in front of me lying here on the table, and I'm going to take you through them one by one. So the very first product is this Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream, and you guys already know how much I love this product. I have recommended this product a lot of times and I have also used this in a lot of my skincare videos. I wouldn't say that this is a magical product, but I really like how it feels on my under eye area. It just makes the area really matte, but my eye area also feels quite hydrated, and it definitely has lightened my dark circles to some extent. So yeah, I really like the texture as well. You can see the product is completely empty. I think I need to go and buy a new one. Now the second product that I have right here is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I'm actually really sad that this one got over. This is the best cleansing balm you can ever use. I know it is a bit expensive, but I think I used this for like 2 months. This is the mini version and it retails for I'm not able to see the price, but it is somewhere around 800, I think 850 rupees. I think this is a really good investment if you are looking out for a fragrance-free cleansing balm, and this works like a charm. Then the next product I have right here is the Lakme 9 to 5 finishing powder. You can use this just on your bare skin to control shine and on top of your makeup to set your makeup. Now this does have a really fine shimmer to it, but the shimmer is not really visible, which is why I have ended up finishing this product. It just gives your skin a really visible, beautiful glow when you use this. The glitter is not chunky. It just gives a very radiant, luminous finish to your makeup. And I really like this. It also helps control shine. So if in case you are in a lookout for a finishing powder that will set your makeup matte but will also give a beautiful glow, this is something you should definitely try out. The next product I have right here is the Witch Hazel from Nature's Tattva. I have used this in a lot of my skincare videos and I have also talked about it a lot of times in my stories. I used this as a toner and a facial mist both, and this is really good if you have acne prone skin like mine. It keeps your skin clear and just super hydrated. The next product is actually in a very bad shape because I have used this for like 6 months. Like one tube can go over for 6 to 7 months. This is the Boroline cream. It is actually an antiseptic cream, but I used it for my lips. You can also use it if you have dry skin on your face, for your elbows, for your feet. This is a great multi-purpose product. I use this as an overnight lip treatment. I just apply a very thick layer on my lips and I wipe it off with a damp cotton pad the next morning, and it just really helps gently exfoliate my lips. And yeah, that's it. The next product is my cult favorite Effaclar Duo from La Roche-Posay. This is what I have been using since January and I have already finished 2 tubes and I have 2 more tubes to go. Yeah, I do have a backup because this is something you cannot get in India. My brother gets this for me from the US, and you guys already know it. I have said that a lot of times. This is great for acne, whiteheads and blackheads, and yeah, I love this product. The next product I have here is the Sugandha Centella Green Tea Face Wash. This is super gentle and it cleanses your skin without drying it out. I really liked this one, and this is finished. I have like 2 to 3 new face washes that I am going to use, which is why I'm not going to repurchase this. But yeah, if you are in a lookout for a very gentle face wash to cleanse your skin without leaving your skin dry, you should definitely try this one out. The next product I have here is the Sapphire Strip Cleansing Balm. I actually used this for double cleansing. You can also use this to remove your makeup. It also effectively removes stubborn mascara. The only thing that I would like to mention is that this does not emulsify with water like the Clinique Take the Day Off balm. You have to massage this on your skin, and then you need to use like a warm washcloth to wipe it, and then follow up with a foaming face wash. The next product that I have here is from the same brand. It is their Mud Clay Detox Mask, and if you guys are following me for the past a month or two, you guys already know that I have talked about this a lot of times, and I love this product, which is why I have finished this completely. Oops. So yeah, I also have like a bigger version of this one. This is their 20-gram jar, which retails for 399 rupees, and the bigger one is for 999. I think I will mention it below in the description because I don't remember. So this is a really good mask for brightening and just to control shine and just make your skin super nourished and healthy. Now the last product that I have here is actually a lipstick, and it is extremely rare that I finish up a lipstick. Now this is the Nykaa Madras Kapi, and this is a very beautiful nude mauve shade, and it is completely matte. I have been using this so much that this shade will go well with so many different skin tones. You should definitely try this one out if you are in a lookout for like a nudish mauve shade. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and let me know if you want me to make many more such videos on product empties, so that I can save all of my empty bottles as and when I finish them. Bye guys.